Hello guys, welcome to another video from our channel, Grobs Review Unboxing. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video from this trash can anti-odor, right, for baby diapers from Tommee Tippee brand. Okay, so here is the package, right, as you can see. If this trash can here, all the baby diapers is rolled in by individual diapers, right? So we can lock the odors for each one. Okay, we have the twist mechanism. I will show you later on, right? And I also will do a separate video for the review and functionality as well. Okay, so let's open the package here. Okay, here we have the right refill to buy, right? Because this trash can we must use original and a specific refill, right? It's not a simple plastic bag that you can use. Okay, so let's take the can out here, right? So nothing more in the package, the box, right? So here is the can itself. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, here is the lid, right? So here we have the Tommee Tippee logo stamped here, right? Okay, put here on the side. Let's see what I have inside. Just papers. Okay. We also have here a instruction manual here. Okay. Let's see. It's a little difficult to open with one hand. Right. Yeah, so here it shows how does it works, right? So as I mentioned before, I will do a separate video to show all the details, right? Very clean design, very minimalist design as well, right? So here's the lid. Put here we have this two side buttons here, right? Okay, also here some instructions, right? And here when you open the lid, right, this is the twist mechanism. We have the 360 mechanism here. This is also the refill, right? So we put the diaper here, twist, and we lock the odor on each diapers. Okay, so it's as I mentioned, it's a quick unboxing view, right? So stay tuned for the next video. I'm doing a full review of this and all the details for the baby diapers anti-odor trash can from Tommee Tippee brand. Okay, so please hit the like button if you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with all your friends. Thank you.